Steve Jobs once said, "Good design is like good storytelling. It doesn't bore you to tears." That is true, but have you ever poured your heart and soul into a website or app only to have users leave in frustration? Design without a clear goal is like throwing darts blindfolded. You might hit the board eventually, but it'll be a whole lot of luck and a lot of wasted effort. Just as a compass keeps travelers on track, defining usability goals ensures users reach their destination on a website or app. Think of usability goals as the roadmap to usability testing success. They help you understand what you want users to achieve and identify any roadblocks that might send them fleeing.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Welcome back to yet another episode of the Explore UX cast on usability. I am Obruke, and in this episode we're diving into the fundamental first step of any successful usability testing endeavor, and that is defining usability goals. I can't stress enough the importance of setting clear goals before diving into testing. Think of usability goals as your compass, guiding your test design, participant selection, and ultimately the success of your entire evaluation. Let's break it down. Usability refers to how easy and enjoyable a product or interface is to use. Our goals, then, are specific, measurable objectives that tell us what aspects of usability we want to assess during testing. They should address the needs of both users and the business. For users, we want to ensure a smooth, efficient experience that accomplishes their tasks. For businesses, we aim to optimize user engagement, reduce support costs, and ultimately boost conversions or achieve desired outcomes. I will talk about the different types of usability goals, but first, let me talk about the numerous benefits and why you should spend time upfront defining these goals. These are some of the benefits. 1. Focused testing. Clear goals prevent a scattershot approach. You'll test specific functionalities and gather targeted feedback, leading to more actionable insights. 2. Efficient use of resources. Testing can be time-consuming and expensive. Defined goals ensure you're testing what truly matters, maximizing the value of your resources. 3. Improved design decisions. Data gathered during testing, aligned with your goals, will provide a clear picture of what works and what needs improvement, leading to data-driven design decisions. 4. Alignment with stakeholders. Usability goals bridge the gap between different stakeholders, designers, developers, and product managers, ensuring everyone works towards the same objective. Now, let's explore the different types of usability goals you might set for your project. These can be categorized into three main areas. 1. Efficiency goals. These focus on how quickly and easily users can complete tasks. You might aim for users to find a specific product within X seconds or complete a checkout process in Y steps. 2. Effectiveness goals. These assess whether users can achieve their desired outcomes with the product. An effective goal could be for X% of users to successfully register for an account or complete a complex form without errors. 3. Satisfaction goals. Here, we're measuring user sentiment and how enjoyable they find the experience. You might want to see a certain satisfaction rating after using a new feature or aim for minimal user frustration during specific interactions. So this is how you can craft effective usability goals. And remember, good usability goals are smart, that is, they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Here are some tips for crafting effective usability goals. First, start with user needs. What are your users trying to accomplish? Identify key tasks and user journeys. Then define goals that assess success within those journeys. Then, focus on specific functionalities. Don't try to test everything at once. Prioritize the elements most critical to user success and your business goals, and quantify whenever possible. Use metrics to measure success. This could be task completion time, error rates, or even click-throughs for specific elements. Also, consider set realistic benchmarks. Goals shouldn't be so easy that they lack value, but they also shouldn't be completely unattainable. And finally, set a time frame. Define a time frame for achieving each usability goal. This helps prioritize testing efforts and track progress. Love xploreUX cast. Here's how you can make a difference. Be a UX champion. Chat with friends, family, and anyone who wants to learn about UX and usability testing. You can supercharge the show. Subscribe, rate, and review xploreUX cast on wherever you listen to podcasts. This helps others discover the good stuff and lets the platform know we're winning. Let's talk UX. Leave comments on the podcast or social media. Got a burning testing question or a topic you'd love to hear explored? Hit me up. And join the UX crew by signing up for our newsletter on LinkedIn and connect with fellow UX enthusiasts. See links in the description. Now, let me talk about some examples of how these principles translate into actionable goals. Goal 1 could be: users should be able to find the Contact Us section within 5 seconds on the website homepage. Efficiency. Goal 2 can be: 80% of users should be able to successfully complete the online purchase process in under 4 minutes. Effectiveness. And goal 3 might be: user satisfaction ratings for the new mobile app onboarding experience should be at least 4 out of 5 stars. Satisfaction. While setting goals is crucial, there are a few additional things to keep in mind. Consider secondary goals. Sometimes secondary goals emerge during testing. Be flexible and adapt your approach if valuable insights arise. Prioritize goals. Not all goals are created equal. Some may be more critical to user success or business objectives. Prioritize accordingly. Communicate goals. Share your usability goals with your entire team, from designers to stakeholders. This ensures everyone understands what success looks like. Curious about the latest UX trends? Sign up for our UX newsletter on LinkedIn. See the link in the description section of this episode. Now let's put theory into practice. I'd like to share a real-world case study where defining usability goals played a critical role in improving a product. Case study: redesigning a library website. Imagine a public library undergoing a website redesign. The old site was cluttered and difficult to navigate. Users struggled to find information about library hours, events, and online resources. The library team, aware of these issues, decided to conduct usability testing on the new website design. Here's how defining clear usability goals guided their testing process. Goal 1, efficiency. Users should be able to locate branch opening hours within 3 clicks from the homepage. Goal 2, effectiveness. 70% of users should be able to search the online library catalog and find relevant materials using the new search bar. Goal 3, satisfaction. Users should rate the website's overall navigation ease of use at least 4 out of 5 stars on a post-test survey. Let me talk briefly about the testing and results. With these goals in mind, the library team recruited a group of representative users and conducted usability testing sessions. They observed user behavior, captured task completion times, and gathered feedback through surveys. The results were insightful. While the new design looked visually appealing, users struggled to find branch hours due to a poorly labeled menu. The search bar functionality was also confusing, leading to frustration among some users. Don't forget about iteration and improvement. Based on these findings, the library team went back to the drawing board. They redesigned the navigation menu for better clarity and implemented a more user-friendly search bar with improved filtering options. With the revised design in place, they conducted another round of usability testing. This time, the results aligned with their goals. Users could find branch hours quickly, search the catalog effectively, and expressed overall satisfaction with the website's ease of use. Curious about the latest UX trends? Sign up for our UX newsletter on LinkedIn. See the link in the description section of this episode. Let me talk about the key takeaways from the case study. This case study highlights the importance of defining usability goals before testing. Clear goals provided a roadmap for the testing process, focusing on the most critical user experience aspects. Data gathered during testing, aligned with the goals, allowed the library team to pinpoint specific areas for improvement. By iterating based on user feedback, they were able to achieve their desired outcomes, a website that was efficient, effective, and user-friendly. Final thoughts. Defining clear usability goals is the foundation for successful usability testing. By setting SMART goals, you ensure your testing efforts are focused, efficient, and deliver valuable insights to improve your product. Remember, usability goals are a living document. They can evolve as you learn more about your users and their needs throughout the design and development process. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of usability goals. Remember, setting clear goals is the first step towards successful usability testing. By understanding user needs and defining what success looks like, you can ensure your product is on the right track to meet user expectations and achieve your business objectives. For more UX insights and discussions, visit our website at xploreUX.com and subscribe to our newsletter. Until next time, happy exploring. Cheers and have a good one.
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist. some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.